Today I'll show you how you can create a Next.js project. Before you proceed, first make sure Node.js is installed in your computer. Open Command Prompt and type Node-B and press Enter. If it shows Node version, then you have Node.js already installed in your computer. If it shows command not recognized, then go to the website Node.js.org and download and install Node.js. Now, go to Next.js.org website and click on Get Started, and then go to Installation section. And copy npx create next app command. Now, open VS Code and click on File menu and select Open Folder. Then choose your desired folder location and click on Select. Then click on Terminal menu and select New Terminal option to open an integrated terminal. Now in Integrated Terminal, paste the npx command copied earlier and hit Enter. This will ask some questions to set up the Next.js project. Give your project a name of your choice and hit Enter. If you choose to go with JavaScript language for developing application, then select No by pressing left arrow key, or else leave it to Yes for developing application using TypeScript language. Similarly, if you don't want to use Tailwind CSS for styling, then select No by pressing left arrow key, or else leave it as it is. Then leave everything else to its default selections by pressing Enter. Now Package Manager will download necessary dependencies and configurations for this Next.js project. To run the Next.js project, in Integrated Terminal type cd space your project name and then hit Enter. This will change your current working directory as your project directory. Now type npm run dev command to start the server in port 3000. Copy this URL. Now go to any browser and paste the URL and hit Enter. If you see similar web page like this, congratulations, you successfully created Next.js project and you are good to go. To stop the server running in background, go to Integrated Terminal and hit Ctrl+C and type Y in Terminal and hit Enter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.